Hey guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you're having a fantastic day. Now, as you can tell by the title, today's video is going to be kind of a vlog style video. I'm going to be cleaning out some of my makeup collection. Now, I know I've done already a few declutter videos here on my channel, and we decluttered like my eyeshadow palettes, foundations, bronzers, blushes, highlights, lip products. Like, I've done a ton of them, so I'll link all my declutter videos down below so you guys can check them out if you are interested. But today I've just been cleaning all day. Really, it is 4 o'clock now, and I did wake up pretty late today, but I just have been deep cleaning my room and it's all clean now, and I'm so happy with it. And I just want to clean everything because yesterday was actually my last day of finals for my winter semester, so I am so happy that I am done my first year of engineering. I'm not done with school yet though. Next week I do start spring classes. So if you don't know, I am in a dual degree, so I'm doing business and engineering classes, so I'm all done with my engineering first year classes. I have 3 courses for business this year, which I'm taking in the spring, and I have a week of freedom before I have to go back to school, but I'm assuming it's going to be online and stuff, just like the end of my winter semester was, just with everything going on and stuff. But I finished my last exam last night at like midnight-ish because they are online now, and I did it last night. I wanted to get it over with just so I'd have more time off in between the 2 semesters. So now I am officially done school, at least for a week. So I want to do like a lot of filming and stuff for you guys, and I also wanted to get to some cleaning. So my room is all clean now, and I've been working slowly on cleaning out my makeup collection and getting it, you know, to where I want it, just so there's less clutter and stuff. I just have so much stuff and it does get overwhelming sometimes. So today we're gonna clean up the drawers that I didn't really get to. So we're gonna do eye products like mascaras, eyeliners, single eyeshadows, and liquids. Few drawers to work with today, and we're just gonna get right on into it. Just gonna be like a vlog style video. So yeah, I just want to start off with cleaning, so let's just get right on into that. So everything is all clean. I have some packages from Amazon as well as some PR over there that I'm gonna have to try out, and you guys will see videos on those fairly soon. But today I want to get through this drawer, which has like all my single eyeshadows and liquid eyeshadows. Moving over here, we're going to be going through all of this, which I have eyelashes, mascaras, liners, brow products, everything like that. It's super messy, so gotta go through that. So all my face products, eyeshadow palettes, highlighters, lip products. We already did all of these in separate videos, so I'll link those all down below. Also, before we start, I do want to mention I got a new phone. This is the iPhone 11 Pro, and this is what the phone looks like. This is what I'm going to be filming on from now on. I'm still like kind of testing out the camera qualities and stuff and the different settings, but let me know down below in the comments how you think my like recent videos and my future videos are looking, because I'm still kind of playing around with it and trying to switch things up to get the best quality of video for you guys. All right, so I just have the drawer here, and we're just going to go through. Just going to kind of take some stuff out. This is like the drawer I've been avoiding just because I have all my lashes in here and everything, and it's just a mess, so gotta go through all that. Guys, remember when I was in my old room and I loved using these little Sephora compacts? They were my favorite. I'm still gonna keep these because these are amazing for traveling. Also, these ones right here are amazing to just put in your purse. Love these. So I'm gonna start off with mascaras, just because we got a few going on here. Let's just go. Okay. I have the Smashbox Full Exposure. This one is fairly new still, so I'm gonna keep that around. I have this little Tarte one. This one's still kind of going strong. I have these tube mascaras that I tried out in a recent video, and they're really cool. They literally create little tubes on your lashes and then they just slip right off, so definitely keeping those. This glitter mascara from L'Oreal I'm gonna just keep because it is nice, just like for a special look and stuff. It's not the best, but we'll keep that around. I have this Studio Lightweight mascara. This one is pretty dry, so we'll get rid of her. I have this voluminous primer, so I'm gonna keep that. This Wet n Wild blue mascara. This one's like completely dried out, so I'm gonna get rid of this one. I have this Wander Beauty mascara. This one is pretty good. I still have a bit of this one left. And then I have my L'Oreal Superstar mascaras, for sure keeping those. I have this Lancome one, which I've never even opened. And then a L'Oreal Voluminous Black Carbon, which I'm just going to keep on the side here because, again, unopened. Next, we have eyebrow products. Let's go through some gels. I have this Ardell Fiber, which I do enjoy. I have some clear brow gels, Wet n Wild, L'Oreal. I do enjoy these as well. I have this Wet n Wild Ultimate Brow Mascara. Now this one's just a little too light for me, so I'm just gonna get rid of it. Maybelline Tattoo Studio. You know what? I think I'm going to keep this one and get rid of this one just because I've had this one for a while from Ardell. I have the Essence Make Me Brow. I do really like this one. Let's see. Brow pencils. This L'Oreal one, just not my shade. I never use it. Gonna get rid of it. So I have the Kat Von D Tattoo. This is the Wet n Wild pencil. This one honestly is an amazing brow pencil, really close to my NYX one, and I absolutely adore my NYX one. I have this Rimmel Born This Way little powder set. This is amazing, guys. If you're into like powder or wax for your brows, this is great. And then I have this Cella Tensionizing Taupe, which I do also enjoy. This is just a brow cream. Well, that looks a little bit better. I have this foolproof little brow powder from Benefit. Let's get into some lashes. I have these Bonnie Choice Magnetic Lashes, which I'm going to keep. These are honestly so cool. I have some of my favorites. These are the Baddington lashes. They're all like messed up, but these are so gorgeous. I got these in a BoxyCharm and they're amazing lashes. I have these I Envy So Wispies and also some Vegas Nay Eyelure lashes. This Ardell set, so I'm gonna keep that. These ones, these wispies from Ardell are really old and they're all kind of crusty now, so I'm just gonna get rid of them. I have these Glamour Pack. I'm gonna keep these. I have some of my favorites. These are the Faux Mink, definitely keeping those. We got some, these are the Ardell Sweeties. I'm never gonna wear these. Look how tiny they are. You're not even gonna see those on my lashes. And these ones from Magic Girl, they don't like to stick to my eye and they look really synthetic, so I'm gonna get rid of those. Ardell Faux Mink ones, as well as my Ardell double like singles. And then I have all my eyeliner pencils, so I'm gonna put this in here and then go through all of these. I have these Essence ones, these Essence gel ones. These are amazing. I'm gonna keep them. NYX, Annabelle, I do enjoy. Some Rimmel, which I'm gonna keep. This Maybelline Skinny, which is awesome for the waterline. My Rimmel Nude. I'm not really into these liners, so I don't have that many. I have this gray one from Jump Blue. It's really good, actually. Some Maybelline. Purple color, does this still? It's pretty rough. And then these mini tiny ones from Rimmel and Hard Candy. Yeah, these ain't really working, so we're gonna just get rid of these ones. And guys, that drawer looks so much cleaner than it did just a few minutes ago, so I'm really happy with that. Get rid of some stuff, so now it's time to get into the eyeshadows. I have all of my, oh, what are you doing in here? You should be over here. See, this is why I needed to organize my makeup. So I have like eyeshadow primers, singles, liquids. This drawer is a mess, so we're gonna go through it. So with this, I'm again just gonna take everything out like we usually do. Guys, look how much is in the back too that I never am using. Oh my gosh, so much makeup. Drawer is empty. Let's get started. So I'm gonna start off with these singles. Ooh. So what do we have? I have this e.l.f. custom eyeshadow shade Pink Ice. It is like a, it's one of those singles that just comes like this. So I need like a Z palette, which I don't have. So I don't know if I'm ever gonna really use this. Is it even like pigmented? I don't like it. Getting rid of it. I have this Body Shop eyeshadow. Guys, this is one of my first single eyeshadows I bought, and it's terrible. So we're gonna get rid of it. I have this Essence Glam. It's a really beautiful blue shade. But I have stuff similar to this, so just gonna get rid of it. This Catrice one I do enjoy. Some Rimmel. This e.l.f. baked eyeshadow is really nice. But as you can see, it's just not the best anymore. These baked ones do dry out in time, so I'm just gonna get rid of that. Hard Candy, I do really enjoy these, so I'm gonna hang on to those. All my Milani ones I do enjoy as well. And then these L'Oreal ones are really great. Foils. Some Maybelline, which I do also like. Next, I have all of these Wet n Wild shadows. This is like a purple shade. It's like kind of dying on me, so I'm gonna get rid of this, but I'm gonna keep my Wet n Wild glitters just because these are actually really amazing. We have some ColourPop. Now I think these might be, oh, never mind, these still work. Why am I not using this? Okay, I gotta use that in like an upcoming tutorial or something because that's amazing. Totally forgot about my ColourPop. Does this one still work? Wow, I thought they were all dried out, but damn, ColourPop. I have some of these e.l.f. pots, and are these all dried out? Okay, this is actually a really beautiful bronze shade. I think the white one, though, I never really liked. It was just... yeah, I don't really see myself actually using this, so I'm gonna get rid of the e.l.f. smudge pot. As far as the taupe shade, I also have this Maybelline. This is the 24-hour tattoo. Is this one all dried out or not? See, these are pretty similar there, so I think I'm gonna keep these. I have these e.l.f. Cream eyeshadows. Do these even work anymore? Yeah, I feel like these are just all dried. I have this blue one and purple one, which we're just gonna get rid of. My Wet n Wild jelly eyeshadows, these are bomb. Definitely keeping these. I have this Bang Beauty brown eyeliner, and this is also completely dried out, so getting rid. LA Colors loose glitters, and I don't really use these much, but I keep them around for like special effects and stuff just because they are in a loose form and they're easy to use that way. Maybelline, this is all dried out too, just a Maybelline eyeliner. Another glitter, this came with my Tattoo Junkie liquid lipstick, and I do keep the glitter for when I want to use that. I feel like we're doing good. I have a bunch of eyeliners. My NYC, definitely not getting rid of. This is my favorite one. I have Tattoo Liner from Kat Von D, Wet n Wild Skinny Tip, it's an amazing one. Okay, I have this Well Covet ink pen, and I don't know if this is like a cushion product. I feel like it still has something in it, but honestly I just keep this around because it's so cute. I never really use it. I just think it's so cute, like the little ink pen. What else do we, so those are okay. I also have this Butter London Glazed Lustrous liquid liner, and this is the only one that I have that has like a shimmer to it. My other ones, like, it has blue shimmer in it. My other ones are matte, so I'm gonna hold on to that. So those are my black ones, and here I have colored eyeliners. I have rose gold, white, these glitter ones from Wet n Wild, which I do enjoy, and then Wet n Wild Mega Liner, so I'm gonna keep both of these. Another glitter, this is from NYX. Okay, as far as eyeshadow primers go, I have a few here. This e.l.f. one, there's not much in it, and I don't really use formulas like this. I just use concealer most of the time. Hard Candy, gonna get rid of it. I'm gonna keep this Lorac one, just because this one I did like, as well as, and then I'm gonna keep my Wet n Wild and Milani. Oh, I have this Wet n Wild black eyeliner, which is all dried out, getting rid. I have these liquid eyeshadows from My Looking Glass. I really do love the formula on these. One of these is new, so I'm gonna keep these. And then I have some stick eyeliners and stuff. These are from NYX. They're the jumbo pencils. That's a really beautiful color actually. And I have a white which I keep around just if I want to do like more for like Halloween looks and stuff. If I want like a white base, it's nice to have around. I think these Rimmel ones might be all dried out though. Yeah, they are pretty dry. They are amazing eyeliners though. They're just kind of dried out. I have some glitter glue. All right, now I have all of my liquid shadows. This is the Wet n Wild Liquid Catsuit. I kind of use this as a primer, but I keep it up front because it's like one I use all the time. I also have a shimmer one from Wet n Wild. Then I have all of my Essence eyeshadows. For sure keeping these. They're amazing. All right, next I have Milani. Oh, these are like my loves for liquid eyeshadows. 100% keeping. And then I have this little e.l.f. one, which I enjoy too. Everything looks a lot better now, and then I just have primers in the back there. A lot more organized, and then we did get rid of quite a few things, which I'm happy about. Alright guys, so I'm kind of happy with what we did today. We got through 2 drawers, so I think all my makeup is actually done decluttering. I've done every section of my makeup collection so far. We've cleaned absolutely everything out. I'm not going through my brushes because I'm keeping all of those. I use them for the most part. I use most of them. But what I also want to go through though is my skincare products, and also I have a drawer full of just PR products or like new products, and that drawer won't even close anymore, so that's kind of an issue. So I kind of want to do that. I might tackle that tomorrow. I just want to, you know, finish cleaning this. I know you guys enjoy watching these declutter videos, so I thought why not also film it for you guys. But today I'm happy with the progress we made. I got rid of a bunch of like eye products and stuff. I know they were like you know, smaller categories of drawers, but I still had to get them done, so I thought why not pull out the camera. But yeah, I'll see you guys tomorrow, I guess, when we do the other 2 drawers that are left, skincare and new makeup drawer-ish slash random stuff that I have laying around. So and then I think we're good for my kind of decluttering. I do want to film a makeup collection video once I'm done with all of this, so let me know if you want to see that. You know, if you want to see everything in my collection after I clean out everything, let me know, and I could definitely do that for you guys. But since I have the week off, please let me know down below in the comments what videos you want to see from me, because I'm doing a lot of filming this week and I really want to get your guys' input on that. But I hope you guys enjoyed. Thank you so much for watching. I hope you're all doing well and staying safe and healthy. I know this is a hard time for everyone, but I hope you guys are doing well. Please subscribe if you haven't already, and also thumbs up this video if you enjoy these declutter videos, and also make sure to turn on my post notification bell so you get notified every single time I upload a new video and you don't miss out on an upload. But anyways, thank you guys so much for being here, and I will see you all in my next video. Bye guys.